All right, here we go. Lesson 28 of our phonics. Say plug. Drop p. What's left? Lug. Say please. Drop p. What's left? Lees. Say prune. Drop p. What's left? Rune. Say prod. Drop p. What's left? Rod. Say pride. Drop p. What's left? Ride. Say pluck. Drop p. What's left? Luck. Good job. Today, I only have one sentence for us. And our sentence today, let's read it. It says, blow out the candle. Our pattern today, is dull. D-L-E says dull. So here we go. We are going to do our reviewing of our sound spelling cards. Here we go. Ready? Dull. Ed, t, and d. Dur. Dull. S. A. Ow and O. O. Oo and Tull. Oo and U. Good job. Let's go and read our words. Ready? Look. Sound. Dressed. Read dressed. Look. Sound. Brook. Read brook. Look. Sound. Pray. Read pray. Look. Sound. Own. Read shown. Look. Sound. Oozing. Read choosing. Look. Sound. Draining. Read draining. Look. Sound. Ooze. Read news. Look. Sound. Oof. Read proof. Look. Sound. Each. Read teachers. Look. Sound. Own. Read moan. Look. Sound. Ooh. Read zoo. Look. Sound. Ops. Read chops. Look. Sound. Ooh. Read new. Look. Sound. Wood. Read wood. Look. Sound. It. Read litter. Look. Sound. Ooh. Read drew. Look. Sound. Oon. Read moon. Look. Sound. Own. Read zone. Look. sound. Book, read book. Look, sound. Growl, read growl. Here's our bigger words. Ready? Look, read. Look, sound. Hooted, read hooted. Look, sound. Jewel, read jewel. Excellent. Now we're going to do our syllables. This word is marble. Let's snap it. Marble. It has 2 syllables. The second syllable is bull. It's an L-E syllable. Here we go. The next word is nibble. Snap it. Nibble. Nib is the first syllable. Bull is the second. This word is wobble. Snap it. Wobble. It has 2 syllables. Bull is the second syllable. It's an L-E syllable. Here we go. This word is cuddle. Let's snap it. Cuddle. It has 2 syllables. The first syllable is cud. The second one is dull. Here we go. This word is shuttle. Snap it. Shuttle. The second syllable is tull. It's also an L-E syllable. The next thing we're going to do is our high frequency words. Here we go. Read it with me. Ready? He drew a picture of a giraffe. Our high frequency word today is picture. Our second high frequency word, let's read the sentence. Ready? She closed one eye. The second high frequency word we have is eye, and that's part of your body, what you use to look. Our third sentence, let's read it. Ready? Can you guess the answer? Our last high frequency word is guess, and it has 2 S's at the end. All right, let's go to read our high frequency words. Here we go. Uh-oh. There we go. Ready? Picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture. I. E-Y-E-I. Guess. G-U-E-S-S. Guess. Here we go on all of our review words. Ready? Change. C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. Only. O-N-L-Y. Only. Woman. W-O-M-A-N. Woman. For. F-O-U-R. For. Toward. T-O-W-A-R-D. Toward. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. One. W-O-N. One. Mr. Capital M-R. Period. Mr. Often. O-F-T-E-N, often. Women. W-O-M-E-N, women. Bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Whole. W-H-O-L-E, whole. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Ms, capital M-S period, Ms. True. T-R-U-E, true. Whose. W-H-O apostrophe S, whose. Miss, capital M-I-S-S, miss. Whose. W-H-O-S-E, whose. Mrs, capital M-R-S period, Mrs. Guess, G-U-E-S-S, guess. Picture, P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. I, E-Y-E-I. Good job. You just finished our next lesson for phonics. Way to go. Give yourself a pat on the back.